Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this little plush toy is a bingo from the show Bluey. My little one loves the show Bluey, and so this was a great gift for him. It makes such a great present for toddlers that love the show Bluey. The sound box is in the back, and so you open the Velcro and you can turn it on and off and get it out of demo mode so that it'll say all nine phrases instead of just the three that it initially plays. The battery lasts a long time, and here is how she
I'm a
sounds.
keepy expert. Can you play games with us?
This toy is really great quality and it's actually really soft, even though it has the music box inside. My little one loves to cuddle with it, especially when he's watching the show. This plush toy is so adorable. My little one loves to hug it and hear her talk. It is such a cute gift for any little one, and that's my point of view.